Do you want to understand real English? Not fast English. Not difficult English. Clear English, word by word. You listen. You read. You understand. Welcome to Slow English A to B. You are in the right place. Here, every episode is slow and clear. 2 friendly voices tell the story. Every word is on the screen. New words come with a picture. There is no test and no stress. You just listen, and English grows. This channel has 4 levels. A1 and A2 are conversations. 2 people talk in real life. B1 and B2 are famous stories. Old classics told in easy English. Every level starts at episode 1. So pick your level. Start there. Then move up. Every episode works the same way. First, 15 new words. Then the story, slow and clear. Then 5 easy questions, with time to think. At the end, you listen again. A little faster this time. That second listen is the magic. New episodes come 2 times a week. A story on Tuesday. A conversation on Saturday. Subscribe so you never miss one. Learn a little every day. Small steps make big English. See you in the first episode.